Midnight to 005 Step 1. Power down the MacBook, unplug all cables and ground yourself. 005 to 010 Step 2. Gather tools, pentalobe driver, tri-point driver, plastic spudger, tweezers, and new battery. 010 to 015 Step 3. Remove the 6 pentalobe screws and lift the lower case carefully. 015 to 020 Step 4. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the battery connector and disconnect power. 020 to 025 Step 5. Slowly pull the adhesive tabs straight and keep the battery flat to avoid bending. 025 to 030 Step 6. Lift the old battery out and inspect the compartment for dust or damage. 030 to 035 Step 7. Place new adhesive strips if needed and align the replacement battery precisely in the chassis. 035 to 040 Step 8. Reconnect the battery connector firmly and ensure a snug fit without forcing pins. 040 to 045 Step 9. Replace the lower case and reinstall the 6 pentalobe screws evenly. 045 to 050 Step 10. Power on the MacBook, check battery status and system preferences and confirm charging. 050 to 055 Tip. Calibrate with a full charge cycle, avoid puncturing the battery, and recycle the old battery properly. 055 to 1 o'clock you're done. If unsure, contact Apple or a certified technician for professional service.